the Investing News Network, I'm Bryan Mc Govern, here with Jocelyn Aspa, our managing editor for the Tech Channel. Jocelyn, you're going to give us an update on the biggest developments for the cryptocurrencies and blockchain markets.
Yes, that's correct. So May was a bit of a downer month for cryptocurrencies. Top favorite Bitcoin, it hasn't been able to maintain the same level it did near the end of 2017 when it touched an all-time high of just under 20,000. Last month, it touched a high for that month of just over 9,950, but by the end of the month, it struggled and it reached a low of just over 7,200, which is about a 27% decrease over the month. Ethereum also started the month off higher than it ended. It started off at about 834, and then by the end of the month, it dipped to about 516 a token, which is roughly a 38% decrease. And then we have Ripple, which started May off at 84 cents and then subsequently decreased to 61 cents, which is about a 27% decrease over that month. In terms of big news, INN covered, Facebook's head of Messenger, David Marcus, announced May 9th he'd be leaving the team after 4 years to explore the use of blockchain across Facebook. At the time, no specific details were given, so we'll have to wait and see what happens. But he did say, and I quote, "I'm setting up a small group to explore how to best leverage blockchain across Facebook, starting from scratch." So again, we're just going to have to wait and see kind of what happens with Facebook and blockchain. Bloomberg also announced in May that it and Galaxy Digital Capital Management launched the Bloomberg Galaxy Crypto Index, which will monitor the performance of the top cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, and EOS. And those top 5 will have a 5% weighting or more on the index. And then Goldman Sachs, while they're not a blockchain or cryptocurrency company, they did back Circle, which launched its own cryptocurrency called Circle USD Coin, which will aim to mitigate some of the biggest concerns when it comes to cryptocurrencies. So that kind of wraps up what the biggest news was in crypto last month.
Yeah. Can you provide more information on the blockchain side of things?
Yeah, of course. So there's a few companies last month that did some exciting things, and I'll go over those. DMG Blockchain Solutions announced that its blockchain forensics and analytics group expanded internationally, which I think will be really big for them. And then Hive Blockchain completed the acquisition of Kolos Norway AS and the 64-hectare property, which will supply near-term access to an additional 30 megawatts of capacity. And then we have Hashchain, which deployed an additional 1,625 new rigs in its cryptocurrency mine facility, which is in Montana. And then Vital Hub, this is a bit interesting. They made the first sale of its mental health blockchain solution called Well Inc., and that is a blockchain electronic health record solution that will provide organizations across all sorts of verticals with secure distributed client records that assist with the exchange of patient data across the continuum of care. So that kind of wraps up what we covered last month in terms of blockchain news.
Okay, Jocelyn, thank you so much for the update. Be sure to stay tuned for our next month's update on INN. For the Investing News Network, I'm Bryan Mc Govern.
And I'm Jocelyn Aspa.